Hey folks, kind of a mix of clouds and sun across the valley today. More clouds in the upper valley than the lower valley. Brownsville, Harlan are seeing a little more sunshine than what McAllen saw, but the clouds are still out there, kind of coming and going, but you ought to see at least a little bit of a sunset in the area tonight. Future tracks suggest patchy clouds overnight and during the daytime tomorrow as well. With that, we're partly sunny again. No rain tonight, no rain tomorrow. I don't think we see any chance of any significant rain, if any, probably anything significant until Saturday night, Sunday morning. Until then, we're mainly dry with just afternoon sunshine and some late night, early morning clouds. But there you are into Saturday. And even Saturday, I think it's going to be dry until that front gets here Saturday night. So I think if you got Saturday plans, you're probably okay. But it's Saturday night, Sunday morning, and during the daytime Sunday that our rain chances do go up. So we're dry, and then Saturday late, about a 30% chance. But I think we're talking at least evening, if not even later than that. I think most of the day should be dry on Saturday. Temperature-wise, here's where we stand right now. Still 81 in McAllen, 78 in Brownsville, 75 at Port Isabel. Overnight, temperatures cool a little bit, not a lot. Most readings end up in the mid-60s once again with those patchy clouds. And then tomorrow, we're right back up into the 80s, 83 in Weslaco, 85 in Edinburgh, Rio Grande City at about 84. Winds pick up tomorrow to the southeast, 10 to 20, and a little bit gusty to go with that. Gusts could be as high as 30 miles an hour tomorrow afternoon. The normal high for this time of year, the end of March, is 83, and we should be right at that the next couple of days. But then Saturday, that's the day before the fronts. We warm up a little more, an average of about 87 across the area on Saturday. Not going to threaten the records. That Saturday record's 103. We're not going to get there. We will warm up some right before the front gets here. Rest of South Texas, here's where we are right now. 77 in Corpus, San Antonio 74, Houston 72. Bigger picture, 70s all the way up into the Panhandle. In fact, one of the warmer readings in the state up in Lubbock right now at 79 degrees. Not much going on in Texas at the moment. Off to the west, a lot of clouds, a pretty good storm system, but not much happening. This is a GFS model, and if you watch through tomorrow afternoon, we just see clouds. That's about it. We go another day into Friday. There's a front up in the Panhandle, but it doesn't move southward. It hangs out up there through Friday. Finally, on Saturday, it begins to show signs of movement, and that's a pretty strong front for this time of year. We're still warm Saturday. I think we're still mainly dry Saturday, but then Saturday night, that front pushes through early Sunday. And then there's just clouds and off and on showers on Sunday. Much cooler temperatures behind that front, probably only in the 60s on Sunday. Some of the models say the clouds stick around on Monday. The GFS says no, it's all out of here pretty quickly. And for the early part of next week, we see sunshine probably holding until about Friday of next week when yet another front will move into the region. Travel plans tomorrow. It starts the day at about 59 in San Antonio. Dallas a little cooler. Houston even cooler than that at 54. By afternoon, though, everybody rebounds back at least into the 70s. Some places like El Paso in the valley into the 80s. So your first 1-5 accurate with the forecast for tonight calls for partly cloudy skies. Low of about 64. Clouds going to thicken up later on. Then tomorrow, partly cloudy and windy. That southeast wind 10 to 20 with gusts to 30. That high of 83 tomorrow afternoon. The next 7 days, we see those temperatures in the 80s through Saturday, but only 65 on Sunday. Perhaps even a little cooler than that late in the day with scattered light rain showers. Could be something left over into Monday morning. We rebound back to 70, and then by Tuesday and Wednesday back to 80 once again. That's your updated first 1-5 accurate with the forecast.